Welcome back to A Creative Aid. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious way of making a cake. So let's start by making the cake. You can use ready cake boxes if you want to speed up the process, or you can use this recipe in the description box. Then we need a baking sheet like this one to make sure the cake is thin. Cover the baking sheet with parchment paper so that it's easier to flip later on. Bake the cake. Once the cake is ready, we need to start cutting it. To make the cake even, we need to use an adjustable cake pan. Put the pan on the cake and use it as a stencil to cut the cake like so. Once the cake is cut, put it in the pan and set it aside. Now we can start making the creme brulee. You can use ready-to-make boxes. Also, I will include the recipe for you in the description box if you wanted to make it from scratch. In a pan on medium heat, put half a liter of milk and 1 pack creme brulee powder. Let it boil until it thickens. Once it's ready, pour it over the cake and make sure it's even. Now we can start making caramelized sugar. We just need brown sugar. Then you add water until it's covered by half a centimeter. Boil it until it thickens. Allow it to cool for 1 minute, then pour it on top of the creme brulee. Spread it evenly. Let the cake cool for an hour. Then put it in the fridge for 1 hour and a half. The more you put it in the fridge, the better. Take it out of the fridge and decorate it with fruits. Now it is the grand reveal. The sides of the cake should be nice and even, just like this. And serve it cold immediately. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.